In this video, we will discuss enabling and disabling the auto dental light feature. There are two methods for accessing the chair settings menu. For the first method, while on the home screen, press and hold the blue bar above the chair presets. For the second method, press the menu button at the top right of the screen. Then select Equipment Settings and Dental Chair. Here you can toggle the auto dental light mode on and off. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.